Hello and welcome to our introduction to Power BI. My name is Klayton Gonçalves and I'm the CEO of Go Analytics, a consulting firm I started with the goal of helping organizations tell compelling data stories with intuitive and interactive data visualizations. At Go Analytics, we deliver on this goal by helping organizations build out business intelligence solutions with the number one data visualization platform on the market, Microsoft Power BI. So what is Power BI and what makes it the number one data visualization platform on the market? Well, let's check it out. When it comes to making informed decisions, data visualization and analysis are crucial. Power BI stands as a premier tool for this purpose. At its core, it unifies data from diverse sources, including spreadsheets, databases, and online services such as Salesforce, Dynamics 365, or Google Analytics. This provides a consolidated view of your organization's operations. The tool's dynamic filtering capability allows users to segment data swiftly, focusing on specific metrics or timeframes. This ensures that everyone in the organization can access relevant information without delay. The drill down feature enhances granularity. For instance, in this sales dashboard, I can drill down into a product category to understand which individual products are offering the highest profit margins. Further, with drill through, one can transition from a general overview to specific related datasets. This provides context often essential for understanding broader trends or anomalies. Cross-filtering is another remarkable feature. It allows visuals to interact. Selecting a data point here in one chart can instantly affect another, revealing correlations and interdependencies. Power BI's hover functionality ensures that additional insights are always a mere cursor movement away. No diving into spreadsheets or querying databases. And for an organization that needs to stay agile, the refresh schedule ensures your data remains current, giving you confidence in the accuracy of your insights. In essence, Power BI can empower your organization with the clarity and depth of understanding required for strategic decision making. In a world inundated with data, it's tools like these that make the data actionable.